Hi guys, welcome back. It's Miley. We're gonna be doing a red smoky eye today. Wanted to get a little more festive since Christmas is coming up, and this should be up, if not before, by Christmas. So I thought I'd get in the mood a little bit. So today we're just gonna be doing an eye look and then a little bit of a lip look kinda. So if you wanna see how I got it, keep watching. I'll see you at the end. Bye. Okay, so first we're taking a black eyeliner pencil. I'm taking a Wet n Wild one, and I'm going to be running that across my entire lid, almost acting like a primer, and also to, you know, get the smoky effect that we're going for, but also to make the reds pop a little more. So we'll just do that, and then we'll come back at the next step. Okay, with the liner all over my lid now, I have some harsh lines, so I'm going to take a fluffy brush, as you see here, and I'm going to blend the edges a little bit, which I'm going to be taking my first red shade that I use, and that's an Aveda shade called Sumac 196 is what I can see on it. It looks like this. So that's going to be the outer corner shade and also the transition shade, I guess you could say. And we're just going to soften it up a little bit. Alright, now that we've blended for quite a while, we're going to be taking my next red shade, which is a MAC blush in the shade Love Thing. I don't know if you can see it there, but yeah, we're going to be taking this red blush, and I'm going to be packing it on with my finger because it just seemed to work better when I packed it on with my finger than with a brush. So I'm just going to pack that in the center and the inner corner. And then we're going to go back to blending in some more of that Aveda shade in the outer corner and blending out the edges a little bit more. Alright, so after blending a little bit more for a while, we're going to take that same MAC blush and we're going to pack a little bit more on to make it pop some more all over the lid, and then I'm going to do my other eye and my foundation off camera, and we're going to come back and do the lower lash line together. Alright, now that I have my foundation and my eyeshadow done, I'm taking this Aveda shade again that we use in the outer corner, and I'm going to be smoking out the lower lash line with it. Alright, now that I've smoked out my lower lash line, I'm going to be taking a black pencil liner again and doing my upper waterline, which I couldn't decide if I wanted to do gold or black, so we'll come back to that. Alright, now that I've put the black pencil liner on my waterline, I'm going to be taking my black liquid liner from Farmasi and doing a wing on both eyes. Alright, we're back to this gold that I was talking about earlier. So this is Mellow Gel Kleancolor eyeliner in Golden Gleam. And I'm just running that along my waterline. And I couldn't decide if I wanted black eyeliner or golden to make it a little more Christmassy since Christmas is coming up. So I just kept it. It doesn't show up too much on camera, but it shows up in person a little bit more, so I kept it there. Alright, now that that's over with, I'm taking my Extreme Curl Mascara from Farmasi and putting that on my upper and lower lashes. Alright, now that I've done that, I'm going to go off camera, do my bronzer, blush, highlights, and then when I come back, I'm going to be doing my lips for you. So for lining my lips, I'm using a NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the shade Let's Go Crazy. It comes off a little pink on camera. When I first saw it, it looked red, but it turned out it was pink, so... Alright, now that I've finished lining my lips, I'm going to take my Bite Beauty Crème Lip Gloss in gold. I'm putting that in the center of my lips and blending it in with the liner. And there's the finished look. I'll put all the products used in the description below, and I'll see you next time. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in my next video, and I'll see you then. Bye.